Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kembali lagi bersama saya Mirzak Maulana di channel yang sangat terkecil ini, channel yang akan menyaingi Atta Halilintar. Bro, ini adalah Banda Aceh Convent on Hall. This is a building has been established by government in Banda Aceh. Mari sama-sama kita menyaksikan betapa megahnya dan sangatlah mewah bangunan ini yang terdiri dari beberapa ornamen yang bahan bakunya adalah kaca yang digunakan sebagai dinding pada bangunan tersebut. Mari sama-sama kita menyaksikan sejenak dan jangan lupa tekan tombol subscribe supaya channel ini dapat maju dan berkembang di Indonesia.
It's over, and I will not forgive those who hold me down, and I will never give up, I'm moving forward, and I will never miss my chance, take it now.
Mari sama-sama kita melihat bahwasannya di depan saya ini banyaklah terdapat lampu-lampu yang menghiasi bangunan ini, dan saya akan melihat look around of this building before snapshot or photograph.
Make them take it back, what they said about you. Every time they doubt you, make that shit about you. Forget about the clout, yo, fuck the word of mouth, yo. Keep your head down, yo, work until you found, yo. Fight until you make it, go, don't make it, no, just take it. Don't wait for someone to break it, take control, then don't just take it, hey. You can make it happen, you just gotta take some action. Take the ship and be the captain, head on out and don't look back, yeah. I will always live my life till it's over, and I will not forgive those who hold me down, and I will never give up, I'm moving forward, and I will never miss my chance, take it now.